What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy Brian from Skies, and today I'm here with a fire video that you are going to love. And today in this very video, I will be sharing with you 5 strategic business models that I use to rake over $11,000 month after month. Sometimes it can be above, sometimes it can be lesser, but the average is $11,000 month after month every month. And the best part is that this online hustle is accessible to anyone, even if you're a student, a professional. I don't care about your skill skills. As long as you are ready to put in the work, to commit your time, the business model I'm going to share with you guys, the hustle method I'm going to share with you guys is accessible to anyone, especially to those that are just starting their financial journey. For sure, these strategies might be things you already know, from leveraging YouTube to stock markets and many more that I will be listing in this very video. So I encourage you to watch it to the very end. All right, let's dive in and transform your financial future. This is about to get good. If you are ready, I am too. I'm ready. Let's go. The first secret to my financial success, you already know it, is YouTube. Yes, YouTube, baby. It's YouTube. I know what you might be thinking right now, or perhaps what might be going on in your head right now. You might be asking, but Brian, I'm not a social media star. How can I pull this off? Well, let me bust your bubble a little bit. When I first started my first YouTube channel, not on this very channel, this is a brand new channel that I just created, and by God's doing is going to grow just like other channels that I have. The biggest thing that I want to share with you right here is when you are looking for an introvert, I think you should rate me as the #1. But today you see me online doing all these talk shows and the rest of them. Most of you might be thinking, okay, God blessed you with this talent. My brother, no, God did not bless me with this very talent. I learned in the process. And the more I learn, the more I get familiar with the process. I create more content, shoot more video with consistency in shooting video regularly. And I become a little bit perfect. I won't say I'm perfect yet, but I'm getting there. Why am I sharing this very story with you? I don't want anything to limit you from starting a YouTube channel. You can start one today. It's totally free. You just create a YouTube with your Google email account, open a YouTube account, and everything is free. You just have to start uploading video. Forget about perfection. Everything will get perfect later. As a beginner, you forget about perfection. Focus on publishing video day after day. And as time goes, everything will grow. That is just the basic truth. Having a YouTube channel is one of the most lucrative business model you can start, because first of all, it doesn't require any investment upfront. You just create a channel, just like I said, start uploading video. As time goes on, you will be recognized. Maybe your channel will get monetized into YouTube ecosystem, YouTube partnership program. And once they welcome you, you start raking in dollars day after day, month after month, just like that. So what are you waiting for, my beautiful brother? Go out there and set up your YouTube channel and start seeing your subscribers, your like and your followers, and also start raking your dollars as soon as possible. All right, my beautiful family, let's talk about my second strategy that I use to make money on the internet, which is trading. Yes, online trading. You might be shouting right now, trading? Wow, that sounds complicated, Brian. I'm not a tech savvy. Let me bust your bubble again. Everything requires training. Nobody is created with all of this talent. You just have to start, learn the basic skills, implement and improve. It's as simple as that. With online trading, you can make a lot of money. Imagine market rise and market fall. All those market rising and falling, a lot of people are cashing out a lot of those. You could also be that. Maybe a month or 2 months from now, you learn all the basic skills you need to become a good trader. Not really a professional, a good trader. You start studying the market rise and market fall. And whenever market fall, you buy. Whenever it rise, you sell. It's as simple as that. You cash in your dough, baby. So I want you to suspend your disbelief, because it's not as difficult as most of you think it is. The truth is, whenever there is volatility in the market, I am ready to pounce. Yes, I'm ready to jump right in and cash out my own dough. Just last month here, I was able to cash out over $300 from the US tech dip. tech stock dip. Yes, over $300. Just like that, by studying the market volatility. And I just cash in, slot in my trading skills, and within a day or two, voila, the money is out. It's as simple as ABC. The key to trading is to focus and diversify your trading on a solid stock market like Amazon, Bank of America, Chevron, Nvidia. You can even try Tesla. Just do your research, make a plan, and watch the profit rolling. It's as simple as ABC. All right, my beautiful family, the tips number 3 that I have that I use to rake in dollars from the internet is online coaching. Perhaps it can also be one-on-one coaching, because there are so many people that comes to meet me one-on-one. They want to learn how to set up an internet business and learn how. A lot of people don't really have time to put in the technical skills and the rest of them. So they come to me, I mentor them, I coach them, and I cash out my dough, baby. It's as simple as that. You might also be thinking, coaching, that sounds expensive, Brian. How can you even talk about coaching? Listen to me. Thanks for the personal experience I've gained all these years from my research and doing on the internet, making money from different sectors of online hustle. As a result, I stand in a position to coach a lot of people from topics like investment, finance, and businesses. I've been able to coach a lot of people. Let me tell you guys, the demand for these skills is on the roof. A lot of people are looking for a good coach, a good mentor that will be able to coach them and direct them on what to do in order not to make a mistake. Heck, listen, a coach is good, a mentor is good. You don't want to jump into the river and start up swimming without a direction. You need someone that have walked the path that you want to walk. You want to walk through. Someone that is going to guide you. Okay, follow here, follow here, follow here. Someone that have made the mistakes now. The person is now ready to give you all the experience, share all the experience you have learned in that very industry that you want to venture into. You want to share everything with you in a straight point so that you yourself will avoid those mistakes. So that is why a lot of people seek for coach, for mentors. And if you stand in a position to mentor people, to coach people, I believe you should just get started. Heck, you can even hire me as your own personal coach, whether it's all about starting your own dream online business or even trying to monetize a YouTube channel or whatsoever, from personal investment and any other diversified area that you believe that can help you. You can also hire me as your own personal coach. So this is a lucrative business that I really encourage that you delve in. The good part is that coaching is not like those regular content you find on YouTube. No, this is a tailored information. This is a step-by-step guide. Someone is there to hold you by the hand and say, do this, take this step. No, don't go there. Take here, follow here. You are going to hit that success. So a coach will hold you by the hand and direct you as long as you are able to listen, because you have to be teachable. As long as you are teachable and follow instruction as your coach outlines, trust me, you are going to hit success. All right, my beautiful family, let's talk about the tips number 4 on my list, which is online courses. You might also be thinking that sounds like a lot of work, but trust me, this is one of the most lucrative business that you can start. You do the work once and you sell it over and over and over. Imagine creating a product in the form of a course, you package it and make it accessible to millions of people. You can say it 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now. The work you have done today, you keep reaping the reward over and over and over. So that is the beauty of starting an online course. It's a highly lucrative business. Do not let the barrier of, oh, it's too hard, it's too difficult to stop you. No, don't let that to stop you. You just have to get started, learn the basic information that you need to get started, and once you get started, trust me, you are going to love the journey. I've already launched some courses on my channel skies.com. You can check it out in the description, or I think I'll post it on this very video so that you can just visit skies.com. You are going to see the courses that I've made available to you that you can even use to start or kickstart your own internet hustle, from YouTube monetization to affiliate marketing to creating online courses. I'm going to be bringing all those things into that very channel. So I encourage you to check it out because it's going to help you a lot. So if you have got a skill or a knowledge or you're passionate about a particular industry, why not package that into a course and start selling it? It's a way for you to share your expertise, for you to share information, things you are passionate about to the world. And trust me, when people love it, they are going to thank you for it, because The purpose of an online course is to solve a problem. Yes, you are creating an online course to solve a problem that people are passing through. And as a result, when anyone benefits from the value you have created, you are going to thank you for it. There are people that even charge up to like $400 to $900. Some charge up to $4,000 for an online course. So it's a lucrative business that you can kickstart today. And trust me, you are going to be happy that you have taken this journey for your own life. All right, my beautiful family, let's talk about the fifth and the final tips that I use to hustle on the internet, which is the gig economy. You might also be thinking the gig economy, that sounds like a lot of hustle. But trust me, the gig economy, from freelancing to visual assistance, there are so many opportunities out there that you can use to cash out every day. There are people on Fiverr, there are people on Elance, there are people on there. In fact, you just have to sign up and apply for a job. And when people post jobs to you, as long as your profile is good and you are credible, a lot of people will be sending you some gigs that you can tap into and start cashing out. Heck, I even have an account on Fiverr that I use to create some cover design for people that want to produce and cover design for their book. I think I've done it in the past and I make quite a lot of money. So it's a lot of hustle. You can hustle there. A lot of people are in that industry hustling. And I believe if you tap into it, you are going to make a lot of money as well. And trust me, the money you can make by doing most of these gigs is not a joke. Yes, I'm telling you, it's not a joke. Recently, I was testing just a testing gig, and I was cashing about $20 just per one gig, and I can do like 2 to 3 in a day. In my spare time, handle like 2 to 3 jobs, and as a result, I cash out immediately. Imagine cashing out like 2 to 3 jobs. Some can even pay up to like $30, depending on the gig that you have, from Elance to Fiverr to whatsoever. So you just have to get started. The opportunity is right there. Just like I tell you, combination of most of these things, I used to cash out over $11,000 per month. Yes, month after month, it has been consistent. And right now, with my channel on Skies and so many other things, I believe it will blow out of the roof very, very soon. So we are heading there. And I encourage you to get started as soon as possible. Do not let anything to hold you back if you've not started your own internet business, because it's the right place to. So what are you waiting for to get started? Let's go secure the bag. Let's go secure the money and live that dream life that we have been dreaming about. And I hope you benefited from this very video. If you do, please, I want you to hit the like button and the subscription bell in order for you not to miss out on my upcoming video, because most of these strategies that I'm sharing today, I think I will be detailing it. If you click on the link in the description or on this very screen on skies.com, you can visit the website, and I'm going to be laying the foundation of all these things I have shared so that you can have something to go after. You can have something to model, because you cannot get most of all the information on YouTube. YouTube is a place you get random information, while on that very website, I compiled everything into a blueprint, a step-by-step for you to follow. So I want you to check out skies.com in order for you to get started as soon as possible. All right, have a nice day. Bye.